Today we are going to do some eyeshadow. I already have my base perfected and my lips, and if you want more information about that, please see the other videos on here. But I am using concealer. Also, a eyeshadow primer would do a good job here too. But I'm using concealer because I already have some from my lips, because I do use concealer on my lips. I'm going to use my kabuki brush to kind of just blend it in. But what the concealer does is it helps you brighten your eyes, for one, and then two, it allows you to let the eyeshadow stick a little bit better. I'm trying to decide, I guess I should have decided which one I wanted to do first. Okay, I think we're going to go with this one, which is palette number 4. Okay, I'm gonna use, so really all you need is 3 colors, okay? So you want a light one, like this one that I'm gonna use, that is kind of a base color. It should blend in nicely with your skin tone, I guess you could say, or it's lighter. So I'm just gonna kind of do an all over sweep there. I'm also going to do it on the other side. And yes, I'm gonna bring it all the way up onto the brow bone. So I kind of have hooded eyes, and by that I mean when my eyes are open, you really can't see my crease, okay? You really can't, you know, you can't see my eyeshadow really. So I have some helpful hints for people who have hooded eyes. So I'm gonna get a different brush. I had a fluffy brush there. I'm gonna kind of get a different brush, and I am going to use this darker color here, a darker brown. And I am going to tap it so that I don't have excess, so it doesn't drop on my face and mess up my makeup. But I am going to take it into the crease, and I am going to move it up. And I am doing this, now not everyone will do this, but the reason I'm doing it, because I have hooded eyes, and I want you to be able to see my eyeshadow. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see my eyeshadow. So I got a little bit more on my brush, and don't freak out if you think it's really dark, because it can be blended out. Okay, the key here is that if you flipped your brush around and you put it at your nostrils and you went to your corner of your eye, you do not want your eyeshadow to go past that, okay? Or your eyebrow. Okay, you're gonna do the other side. Also, it helps wherever you want it to be the darkest, that's where you should start at. So if you want it to be the darkest in the corner of your eye or in your crease, that's where you should start whenever you first get eyeshadow on your brush. Okay, so I kind of did a halo here. So now, and this is just going to be a quickie, I am going to take this gold here, and I am going to tap it a little bit. And I don't have eyeliner on, so this will be my eyeliner, and I'm going to kind of run it underneath here. And I kind of moved it up a little bit so that I know kind of, and I will blend it so I know where to go. So this is the gold still. And because I want this to be darker, I'm going to kind of rub my finger in the gold. So I have it on my finger, and I'm going to kind of dab it. Into my eyelid. It kind of pigments it a little bit more whenever I do it that way. I'm not sure if you can tell. Now I'm going to take the tinder that I started out with, or another color that's similar to that. You just want like a whitish color. And I'm going to put that on my finger as well. And I'm just going to go right above the eyeball to brighten it up. Same thing on this side. And in the corner of my eye. And I do actually want to do the corner of my eye, because that too makes my eyes look more awake. And now I'm just kind of blending a little bit. Okay. Here's what that looks like. And that was just a quick 3 shades I think I used. So if you have any questions and you like those colors, let me know. I can get them for you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.